In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Street View in Apple Maps. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about exploring different areas from the comfort of your home, Apple Maps offers a feature called Look Around that provides street level imagery. Follow along and let's dive into how this works. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Apple Maps app on your device. Apple Maps is a great tool for navigating and discovering new places, and Look Around is embedded right within it. Make sure your app is up to date to access the latest features and improvements. Once you have Apple Maps open, zoom in on the map to the area you wish to explore. This could be a potential vacation spot, your own neighborhood, or anywhere that piques your curiosity. The key here is to zoom in until you can see the streets and details of the area, because Look Around functionality is only available when you're zoomed in enough. Next, keep an eye out for the binoculars icon, which is synonymous with the Look Around feature. It's important to note that Look Around is not available everywhere yet, so if you're in an area where this feature is supported, a binoculars icon will appear on the map or in the info card for that location. This is your confirmation that street level imagery is available. Upon spotting this icon, tap on it to enter Look Around mode. This will provide you with an interactive, immersive view of the street, almost as if you're there in person. You can navigate through the streets by simply swiping on your screen to pan around. If you want to get a closer look at something or explore a different direction, use the pinch to zoom gesture for perfect control over your views. Feel free to tap on different areas of the screen to move forward along the streets or to explore side streets. This functionality makes it easy to travel virtually through a neighborhood, giving you a sense of the layout and what you might expect to see if you were walking or driving there. Once you've finished your virtual tour and you're ready to return to the standard map view, simply tap the Done button located in the upper right corner of your screen. This will exit the Look Around mode and take you back to the regular map interface. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Street View in Apple Maps with the Look Around feature. Whether you're getting directions or just satisfying your wanderlust, this tool offers a fantastic way to visually explore locations. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Apple Maps.